guys, this is Stevie Walkabout, and it's a gloomy grey day in New York City. It's been raining all day. It's been raining for the last few days, and the rain has stopped a bit now, but it's still wet outside. So again, this is Stevie Walkabout. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, please like, please share, please leave a comment for me. For returning subscribers, I really appreciate having you with me as always. Today we're in Chinatown. Chinatown, New York City. And I'll show you around the arch. And right here is the entrance to the bridge. Alright, this is the entrance to the Manhattan Bridge. To the Manhattan Bridge? Yep, this is the entrance to the Manhattan Bridge. So we're at the top of Bowery and Canal Street. Alright, so let's take a walk. See this building over here that looks like a mausoleum? That's the HSBC building. And let's take a walk around. Guys, this is Chinatown on this gloomy, on this gray day. Lots of traffic because we're at rush hour. So if you look right over there, that's a Jenga building. That building which seems like boxes placed on top of boxes in some haphazard manner. And that's a Jenga building. So let's take a walk around Canal Street. We're in Chinatown, New York City. The Central Avenue, or the Central Thruway in Chinatown is Canal Street. So again, it's rush hour and lots of people are actually heading home, heading about their business. And no sun today. It's all rain and it's all wet. So right now we're at Canal Street and Elizabeth. Sure. See, and there is this building there, very unique building, right here in the center of, right here on Canal Street. That'll be at Canal and Mott Street. Now, Chinatown is a great place to go shopping. Lots of people come out here looking for bargains. There'll be bargains on everything you can find here, and you'll have a lot of dining options, right? So we're at Canal and Mott Street, and let's look around Mott. And there's a building that I showed you a little while ago, right there. And let's take a stroll like a block or two into Mott. So right over here is Mott Street. We're at the corner of we're on Mott Street. We just stepped out of Canal just for one block, and I'm going to show you what you see around. Lots of people going about their daily routine. Lots of people shopping. Lots of little shops and boutiques around. So again, there are lots of dining options around here, and you can always come out here and you'll find something that you like. You'll get something good. Chinatown is a thriving, bustling section of New York City. Right, so all around you have lots and lots of restaurants. You'll find something that you'll enjoy. Right, so you can get all sorts of souvenirs, lots of things. If you're a tourist coming into New York City, make Chinatown a stop on your itinerary. Across the street, the gift shops, wonton and noodles. So this is Mott Street. We're not going to stay in Mott Street. Just give you a little look around Mott Street. We're at Mott and Bayard. So come out, lots of shopping options, lots of dining options. So like we said, there are lots of shopping options, lots of jewelry stores. One right here. This is laheng.com. You have an online option. And across the street, right over there, is Lufuk Jewelry, and you'll find lots of jewelers along Canal Street. Over there, gold and diamonds. Oh, we buy. So it's another exchange over there. You'll see lots of that around here. But again, lots of people come out to Chinatown for the shopping and the dining. You'll have a lot of that. A lot of that here in Chinatown. So let's walk. We're at the fruit vendor. Right, we're at the fruit vendor, but yeah, we're at Mulberry Street. And a lot more fruit vendors here. Check it out. You can come out here, go shopping for your fruits. Really good prices. So lots of fruits, lots of veggies. Come and get them out here. Alright, so this is on Mulberry Street. So again, we're on Mulberry Street, Mulberry and Canal. So let's turn around and see the area, okay? The fruit vendors are right here on the corner of Mulberry and Canal. And look around, you'll see lots of jewelry stores, jewelry exchange. And over there, right down there, if you can see the green sign, that's down towards the Brooklyn Bridge. So let's cross Canal Street. So the traffic is getting heavy coming off the Brooklyn Bridge and areas around here as they head towards the tunnel, the Holland Tunnel. Like so. Again, I'll show you up Mulberry Street. Let's just take a little walk in here. You find lots of gift shops. Right, lots of gift shops right here. You step off Canal Street into Mulberry and you'll be around lots of gift shops. We're heading into Little Italy along Mulberry Street, and you can see the sign over there. It says welcome to Little Italy, and it's over in this area. You have the annual Feast of San Gennaro. Right, so it's gonna be over here, and I guess that is coming soon. But over here you have lots of how you doing, buddy? You have lots of dining options, lots of shopping options. All right, and again, over this way is Little Italy. We're not gonna go much further in there. We'll stop and we'll go back around. But look down the street here, and that's Little Italy. All right, again, the Feast of San Gennaro is held in this area, so you can always come out and check it out. Feast of San Gennaro should be happening pretty soon. All right, it's an annual festival. All right, again, gift shops on both sides of Mulberry Street, one block off Canal Street, and it keeps going. All right, it keeps going and going and going. All right. So if you have Little Italy, you know it's right off the area here, right off Canal Street. If you're in Chinatown, you can always pop into Little Italy right over there. All right. And while you're here, you can always pick up your stop in the gift shops. They proliferate around this area, around Canal Street. So you have lots and lots of gift shops. Right over there is Center Street, and the courts are right back there. So if you're talking about the courts on Center Street, it's right in this area. It's quite central to the New York court system. All right. So this is Canal Street on a wet day in May. Today's the 14th of May. This is Canal Street. Lots of shopping options. Check it out. Again, guys, this is Stevie Walkabouts. Thanks for walking with me. If you're on my channel for the first time, please like, please share, please leave a comment for me. All right, for all returning, thanks as always for being here with me. And let's walk. So we're at Baxter Street. All right, so right. Now, again, if you want to come here, there are lots and lots of transportation options, right? Driving a personal vehicle is not recommended unless you have a lot of time on your hands and a lot of time to kill. All right, so take a taxi, take the bus, but the best means of getting around is a subway system. All right, so there is an extensive subway system stretching around Manhattan. Right, and lots of trains make Chinatown a stop. All right, you can do it on the number 6 train, you can do it on many other trains. All right, so we're at Baxter and Canal Street. Let's look up Baxter. This is looking up north. All right, towards Baxter. There are good high-end shopping just over there, around Green Street, and right, so up in that area, you can do that. Over there, in this area, looking south, right over there, you'll see the municipal and court buildings over there. All right, that's around Center Street. The court buildings.
Take a look, guys. Take a look. Take a look, guys. Take a look.
All right. So again, lots of gift shop. You can walk with lots of souvenirs. You can go shopping for everybody. You gotta take a souvenir bag too. All right. So again, if you're coming here, your train options: number 6, You have the N, Q, R, and W. So those are the options here at the train station. I want to take a picture of it, but I want to let the people facing me go by first. All right, you get the J and the Z at Center Street, and those are your other options right here. All right, so this is the Canal Street station. So we're at Lafayette and Canal. We're at Lafayette Street. We're not gonna go much further. Alright, so again, this is looking south, downtown Manhattan, and we're downtown. Alright, so we're at, again, Lafayette and Canal Street. Let's pan around and let's show you the rest of the area. And Lafayette and Canal Street, this is what it looks like. Alright, so guys, if you're coming to the area, it's just a little view of Chinatown. Alright, of Canal Street rather, on Chinatown.